All right, guys. So this is Andrew. I'm going to do a quick recap. I had a pretty good day, but I got some sort of a performance anxiety in my trades, and I don't know why. Because I maybe yesterday I took a little bit of more than a dose, normal dose that I took for my ADHD, and just I didn't feel good at all. Like. A couple of trades I couldn't really make a good decision, and this is the time that I know I got to cut it off before I blow up my account. So LCID was a really nice 1 minute opening range break up that I made some money on it. Stock was gapping up. Everybody knows that this beautiful car company that beat Tesla in performance. It opened really strong from 27 to 28. I took a 1 minute opening range break up, popped up. The first candlestick was too big, so it really couldn't push for the real breakout of the high of the day, but I still got some profit on it, and then I got out of the break even. And then I started getting destroyed on a below the VWAP, really sold off heavy volume, pure weakness. And on the pullback, I went short on it at 27.13 for the break of previous day close and just keep going down. But again, that performance anxiety came into me, and I just couldn't really made a good decision about staying in there. It was really good short. Brian wanted to go in there, but I just he also didn't take it. So it just after that, as you see, really sold off and got destroyed all the way up to S1. I was thinking of putting it long on it. But it really did a V reversal, and it was really hard to catch this. As you see in a 5-minute chart, it turned out to be a really nice 5-minute opening range breakdown. That's why I was trying to catch. So that was LCID trade. I did the MRIN trade as well. MRIN at the open, I tried to catch a 1 minute opening range break up. Didn't work out. Got to stop that really quickly because these under $10 stocks are really tricky. Sold off heavily. I tried to catch a bounce from S1 from 890 to pop up to above 9 a little bit, and I got out, so I made a little bit of profit on that on MRIN. So that the first one was almost break even. This one was a little bit profit. And what else did I did? And I did a trade on ATER, for the opening range break up. So at the open it was choppy, came down, popped up with volume. I jumped in at 1510, sold off to 1550, and that turned out to be my day. I do have a little bit of TNA. IWM is really running up. That's good. I did some TQQ. I did some TQQ at the close too. So I did some TQQ as well at the open, sold off on R3 and previous day close. I added, and as you see, it just popped up above the VWAP, and I have like 100 shares left, 102 shares. I'm actually selling it also. Yeah, so completely out. I have a little bit of QQQ, and Ad is testing some covered call strategy on it. I don't know why he's doing it on my account. He's doing some covered call and QQQ on it. So other than that, my day is like 4,300. I'm gonna close it. It's pretty good. Plus these open positions. And Brian, what else from your side? You did short Facebook, was really nice.
Yeah, so I mentioned that even before, at the open. I said, or before the open, I said I was looking for that pop. That my Rising Devil trade out of my trade book. So looking for that pop at the open, and then I just shorted it and it sold off. So I got a nice drop at the open. And then I actually took it long at one point. So I traded Facebook twice. On a second one was a double bottom. Yeah. And you can see that double bottom.
Thor also took that, yes? Thor,
yes.
You also traded
long. Yeah, and I think... Yeah, and I think a few of our other traders in the room took that as well. So we got a nice little pop on that. Other than that, I traded just typical opening range breakouts, both Alcoa, AA, and Billy. I still have a...
my God, look at Billy.
Yeah, I know. I saw that breaking out there. So I'm still holding some Billy. I was thinking it might get to the previous day high, which was around 75, but it's just sort of chopping sideways here, and the 9 and the 20 moving averages are just gradually coming together here. So as long as it doesn't drop below 74, I'm going to stay in it.
And and then that's it. The Peak Capital mentorship is on, guys, in 25 minutes. So Peak Capital mentorship, guys, I'll see you. And other than that, awesome, guys. I hope everyone is having a good day, and I'll see what the market is offering us. So far, so good. Thanks, and see you tonight.